to correct our ablution, since we have been talking about prayers, we need to differentiate between the obligatory aspect of ablution and supererogatories, which is the sunnah and the fardu. Washing the hands to the wrist is a supererogatory act, which is a sunnah act, while washing the face is a farilla, which is the obligatory act. So where we want to correct now is that washing the hands here. When you are going to wash your hands here, which is an obligatory part, you're supposed to start from this place. From the top of your finger, you start from the top of your finger and you come to the elbow. This is what we call obligatory part of ablution. You are not going to start from your wrist to the elbow, but you are starting from the top of your finger to the elbow. Then you move on, you wipe your head and you wash your legs. So what we want to correct here is that when washing this hand, please start from this top of the finger and come to the elbow. Thank you.